Imagine stepping into a workspace where messages are clear, actions are fast, and your most important conversations are right at your fingertips. If Microsoft Teams chat has ever felt overwhelming, you're not alone. Today, let's unlock its secrets, one step at a time. Start by formatting your messages for clarity. Click the format icon, the one that looks like an A, before you type. Add headings, bullet points, or tables. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus X for the full editor. Your messages stand out in the crowd. Make your words count using @. mentions. Type it followed by a name to get someone's attention, @team to notify a group, @channel for channel-wide alerts, or @important for urgent messages. Use mentions thoughtfully to avoid overload. Speed up your workflow with / commands in the search bar. Type /chat to start a conversation, /mention to find where you're tagged, or /files to access recent documents. These shortcuts keep you moving fast. The command bar is your productivity launcher. Search messages, start chats, or open apps like Planner, all without touching your mouse. Found something worth saving? Hover over the message, click the 3 dots, and select Save. Or use Ctrl plus S. Find your saved notes by entering / saved in the command bar. Stay organized using chat filters. Click the filter icon to sort by unread messages, mentions, file attachments, or keywords, so nothing gets lost. For fast teamwork, create chat groups. Gather your small group, name the chat, pin it to the top, and share files, all in one mini workspace. Pinning matters. Right-click critical chats, direct reports, or favorite apps and choose Pin. Everything you need, always within reach. For real-time collaboration, try Loop Components. Insert a checklist, table, or action item into a chat, and let everyone edit together. No switching apps, it's teamwork simplified. Quick discussions? Launch a huddle in any chat for instant audio and screen sharing. No scheduling, just connect and solve problems fast. Reduce message noise with reactions. Thumbs up for acknowledgement, heart for gratitude, or checkmark for completion. This keeps conversations focused and tidy. Keep your chat list clean by hiding, muting, or leaving chats you no longer need. Less clutter, more focus. Need to make a group decision? Type at forms to start a poll in chat and collect instant feedback. For longer messages, right-click and open Immersive Reader. This tool helps with focused reading and language translation, perfect for global teams. Step by step, these features transform Teams chat from basic texting into a true productivity engine. Try 1 or 2 tips at a time, and soon you'll navigate Teams like a pro, organized, efficient, and confident.